पाकिस्तानी अदाकारा उशना शाह ने शादी में डांस किया जिसके बायस उनको काफ़ी तनकीद का निशाना बनाया गया। अदाकारा उशना शाह ने उस तनकीद के जवाब में इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट डिलीट कर दिया। अदाकारा उशना शाह ने ये अपने इंस्टाग्राम की आखिरी पोस्ट में बताया और इस पोस्ट के बाद उनका अकाउंट डिलीट हो गया। उशना शाह लिखती हैं कि आई हैवंट रिएक्टेड टू ऑनलाइन ट्रोलिंग फॉर years, but I am a human being at a very vulnerable time of my life, a new bride in a new home. From hiring photography teams who sign NDAs to hiring security and strict guest lists at the door, I wanted to protect our union and only share what I was comfortable with. I worked very hard to make this time private. Several people invaded that privacy to exploit our happy occasion, including disrupting our nikah. Like any bride would be, I was mortified. Only times a million, I had a human moment and I reacted. I exposed the first person I learned invaded my privacy. I defended myself. I even retracted because they apologized, and I learned others were also involved in worse ways. And because the damage done to me couldn't be undone either way, I have read many of the comments. They don't seem to stop. Please believe that I did not get married to offend our culture. That was not the intention. And if that is what people feel I have done, then I apologize for letting anyone down. I am going to sign off from this platform for a few days for the sake of my mental health and to spend this precious time and energy on my wonderful husband and my new family, who are a blessing.